Teddy Bodies.
In this video, I'll be going over the 8 benefits of planking, as well as some tips on how to do them correctly. Number 1. Planks strengthen your core. Your core is made up of muscles that support your spine and pelvis. It's essential for good posture, balance and movement. Planks are one of the best exercises for strengthening your core. These include your rectus abdominis, obliques, transverse abdominis and erector spinae. 2. Planks improve your posture. Good posture is important for your health and your appearance. Planks can help improve your posture by strengthening the muscles that support your spine. This can help to keep your back straight and your shoulders back. 4. Losing weight. In addition to boosting your metabolism, planking can also help you lose weight. This is because planking is a challenging exercise that burns lots of calories. If you do planking regularly, you can expect to see some weight loss results. Number 5. Planks improve your balance. Balance is important for everyday activities such as walking, running and climbing stairs. Planks can help improve your balance by strengthening the muscles in your core and legs. This can help you stay upright and prevent falls. Flexibility. Flexibility is important for your range of motion. Planks can help increase your flexibility by strengthening the muscles in your back, shoulders and hips. This can help you move more freely and prevent injuries. Planks reduce your risk of injury. A strong core is essential for preventing injuries. Planks can help strengthen your core and improve your overall stability. This can help you avoid injuries from activities such as lifting weights, playing sports and dancing. Planks are easy to do anywhere. You don't need any special equipment to do planking. You can do them at home, at the gym, or even at your desk at work. This makes them convenient and accessible exercise for everybody. Those are the 8 best things about the exercise planking. As you can see, there are many benefits to do planking. If you're looking for a way to strengthen your core, improve your posture, and boost your overall fitness, then planking is a great option for you. Thanks for watching.